Assalamualaikum friends. In this video we are going to learn about drafting or drawing in Solidworks. First we have to select a sheet size, then set the angle of projection, then model view, standard view and projection view. These are the things we are going to discuss in this video. Here we are converting the 3D into the 2D views. Go to the file and click new and select a drawing and click OK. While opening the drawing window, initially it will be asked for selecting the sheet format and size. We have a lot of standard sheet sizes like A0, A1, A2, A3 sheets, or otherwise you can also use a custom sheet sizes as per your requirement, or otherwise you can use a ISO standard sheet sizes. While we are using a custom sheet size, we have to specify the width and height of the sheet. After selecting our required sheet format, just click OK. Next, we have to set the angle of projection. Before starting the drafting, we must specify the type of angle of projection. Just go to the design tree and right click on the sheet and select a properties. Here we have a type of projection option. We can also select first angle of projection or third angle of projection as per client requirement. Then click OK. Go to the view layout. Here we are going to make an orthographic view 1 by 1. The third option is a model view and standard view and projection views. Let's move on the software. First we have a option standard 3D view. Just select the standard 3D views and browse our component which we create in a Solidworks part file and save correspondingly. You have to browse our component and select it. Then click open. It will take few seconds to generate the view. Now automatically the standard 3 views is created. One is a front view, another one is a side view, another one is a top view. Then second option is model view. Just select a model view. Then we have to browse the component which we need to project here. Likewise, previously we have to select any one of the 3D component in a Solidworks part file and click open. In a standard view, you cannot pick a required place, but in a model view, you can pick a required type of view you want to project. Just you need to drag the mouse to create a more number of views. And third option is a projection view. The projection view can be created by clicking the already existing view. It will generate a views with corresponding to existing views. For example, we have a front view. You can also generate a side view or a top view by using a front view. This is the main use of projected view option. You can also project the view in 3D visualization This is called the orthographic projection.